Welcome to the Tourism Internship Program, a transformative journey for aspiring tourism professionals. A program designed to bridge the knowledge gap and provide hands-on experience to the next generation of industry leaders. Our 2-month internship program brings together students from institutions and universities around Western Uganda. With different cohorts, this experience is designed to immerse them in every aspect of tourism and hospitality. Throughout the program, students participate in a variety of training sessions led by industry experts. They master tourism online tools.
If you don't want to speak, kindly share your questions on the message, okay?
Learn nature interpretation from qualified tourist guides.
Ladies may make more than one man when she gives home heat. The period of the life is 110 days. The female gives birth to a litter of between 1 and 4 cups.
And compete in tourism and wildlife quizzes to deepen their understanding. Interns are introduced to Safari Office software for itinerary design and costing, while digital marketing training covers trending tools like Buffer for social media management.
We'll bring me every plugin that has the name as SEO. I think you can see them. Rank Math SEO, AI. We talked about this. Since we have already the same, let's do it.
Legal knowledge is essential in tourism, so students learn about company registration and legalization from URSB representatives.
We have different types of companies that particularly have different roles they play or they help you. We do have companies limited by guarantee, companies limited by shares, and then we also have public companies of which individuals do not register public companies. Government, they are the ones that register public companies.
A healthcare professional also provides insights into tourism, health and safety protocols.
Second, you have usually they give in just a month, a week. Second degree bands, they take longer when they give. They leave a scar. I saw one with this one. You can show our class. Second degree scar. The scar may not be because she had a band, but this is what the second degree scar looks like. Then a third degree scar, it has a chin, it has like a depression.
Field trips to national parks like Lake Mburo National Park and community areas around River Rizi provide interns with hands-on experience. They observe wildlife, engage with local communities, and see firsthand the importance of sustainable tourism.
That herd is made up of one dominant stallion and males with their young ones. So other male zebras they wander on themselves and form batches herds. Zebras, they are herbivorous animals and they feed on fruits, grass, and tree leaves. Their habitat is that they stay in grasslands, savannah, and in woodlands. Their gestation period is 12 to 14 months, and they produce only one foal. A male zebra, it produces only one foal.
This is the most brilliant guy I've seen. I don't know, maybe there might be someone to challenge, but I think he has given what we exactly wanted. Do you see how he brought out the information? So I want you to be the same way on your animal, to give out the same information. How he has tried, even if you don't go deep, but you see how he started. He gave out the name of the animal. He clearly described the morphological features. From morphology, he talked about the feeding behavior. From feeding, he talked about the mating behavior. How it cares for the young. You understand? You see how he brought it? Lawrence, thank you very much. And really, you're a promising guide. And I know if you keep up with that spirit, I didn't know that you speak like that and you're a good guide like that.
Our partnership with Robienge Family Resort offers students a deep dive into hospitality management, from front office operations to guest service excellence.
They are called finger euphobia. Or no zungu. Why are they called fingers? You can see. Maybe.
Guiding the interns through this journey are our dedicated facilitators, Kapimpina Morris, Itaji Devon, Akampora Derek, Kajabango Derek, professionals passionate about nurturing the next wave of tourism leaders. As the internship concludes, students leave with newfound confidence, invaluable skills and memories to last a lifetime. The tourism internship program isn't just training, it's a gateway to a thriving future in tourism, empowering students, strengthening communities, shaping the future of tourism, one internship at a time.